बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती मोरे, ओ गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती मोरया, गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती मोरया, मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया रे, 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 मोरया रे
Tanmay, it was absolutely beautiful, melodious, soul-stirring song, and you sang it so beautifully. And I know everybody is really enjoying, loving them. I would also request you, if you can open your windows and also, write some nice thing about Tanmay singing so beautifully. You can give your some words of appreciation or anything that you can express out of joy and happiness. Thank you, Tanmay.
Thank you, Didi. So, the next bhajan is a very beautiful composition by our very dear Mani Kantanji. So, very less people sing it. It's just my honest attempt for the song. देवा मनोहरा आनंद शेखरा देवा मनोहरा आनंद शेखरा भालेन्दु शेखरा शिव 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 नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय डम 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 डमरू बजे डम 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 डमरू बजे हे नाट राजा हे नाट राजा हे नाट राजा हो हे नाट राजा हे नाट राजा हे नाट राजा शिव 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 नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय शिव 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 हर 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 शिव 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 हर 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 Let's do a Devi bhajan.
And it's been magical, absolutely magical, soul stirring, so beautiful. I just can't explain, you have transported us into an absolutely a beautiful divine realm. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Devi. ईश्वर सत्य चित्त आनंद बोल ईश्वर सत्य चित्त आनंद बोल मां बोल बोल ईश्वर सत्य चित्त आनंद बोल ईश्वर सत्य चित्त आनंद बोल अम्बा अम्बा मां जगदम्बा अखिलांडेश्वरी जय अम्बा अम्बा मां जगदम्बा अखिलांडेश्वरी जगदम्बा शांब सदा शिव शांब सदा शिव शांब सदा शिव बोल शांब सदा शिव शांब सदा शिव शांब सदा शिव बोल ईश्वर सत्य चित्त आनंद बोल ईश्वर सत्य चित्त आनंद बोल मां बोल मां बोल ईश्वर सत्य चित्त जय माँ आनंद बोल परमानंद बोल आनंद बोल परमानंद
And then so blissful, so melodious. And we are, diving in the waves of devotion. Actually, I mean, you just, made us so, so lost in this beautiful song, bhajans. And I'm so grateful. And of course, we would like you to sing one more last bhajan and then we'll listen to some Gurudev's knowledge. And because without Gurudev's knowledge, the satsang is not complete. But I can go on listening to you whole night, and I think everybody else also. So, such beautiful things people have written, and everybody has been writing such nice, you must read. Aarti Jessica, I'm soaked into your bhajan, so beautiful, melodious. And somebody has asked, do you sing at ashram? Your voice is so amazing. I think soon she's going to, she sings like her. All this is ashram only. So blissful bhajans, all my favorite. Your voice is phenomenal. And everybody, like Ravi Shankar ji, is an unbelievable mystical experience. And DKG Kotian has written very melodiously sung, and many, many more. You must read the chat, and I think we can sing the last bhajan. Like you can sing your last bhajan.
थैंक यू एवरीबडी जो भी है यहाँ पे हार्दिक दिल से आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू सो आई टेल यू द सीक्रेट देन अदर अभी जो भजन करेंगे उसके साथ आई टेल यू द सीक्रेट ऑफ व्हाट इज एक्सप्रेस्ड सो लेट अस ऑल क्लोज आवर आईज एंड विल जस्ट लिसन डाइव इनटू दिस भजन So this is a very secret that will express what was expressed from here to you. जो आपको फील हो रहा है ना, ये सिर्फ इस गाने में ही उसका राज छुपा हुआ है. तो ध्यान से सुने आंख बंद करके. सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं. सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं. हे भगवन भगवन में तेरो तेरो जिसको मैं अपनाऊं. सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं. उठत बैठत तुम्हें आराधो, आठ पहर गुण गाऊं। उठत बैठत तुम्हें आराधो, आठ पहर गुण गाऊं। ओम ओम की मधुर ध्वनि में, ओम ओम की मधुर ध्वनि में, अंतर है खो जाऊं। सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं। तुम ठाकुर तुम साहिब मेरो, तुम्हारे हुक्म चलाऊं। तुम ठाकुर तुम साहिब मेरो, तुम्हारे हुक्म चलाऊं। हे भगवन मैं तेरो तेरो, हे भगवन मैं तेरो तेरो, चरण कमल बल जाऊं। सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं। सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं। हे भगवन मैं तेरो तेरो, हे भगवन मैं तेरो तेरो, जिसको मैं अपनाऊं। सांस सांस में सुमिरन करके बार बार बल जाऊं। बार बार बल जाऊं। बार बार बल जाऊं।
Thank you so much. I have no words to express the beauty of your bhajans and how peaceful and how blissful and how happy we all are feeling. Have really been, you're blessed with your beautiful voice and I think more beautiful heart. That's why you can transmit this feeling within all of us. You know, your words have transmitted that devotion into us. And I thank you. And we will just listen to some Gurudev's knowledge. Thank you, and I hope you're here only.
Yes, Devi, thank you so much.
So we all have been just diving into the way.
And also all credits for the music to my little brother, who
Yes,
played
yes,
with
not
all
to
his
forget
heart.
him. Yeah, absolutely. Ram Krishna, thank you so much, because without this music, it would have been little less than that beautiful. And you are amazing. Both of you are amazing, and we are so grateful to both of you. And just like you have taken us into oceans of Shiva Tattva, Guru Tattva. That Shiva, which is all benevolence, which is all peace, joy. What is Shankara? Shan is peace and joy that brings goodness, and Kara jo karte hain. So Shankara is peace and joy and all that is absolutely bliss. Like we said yesterday also, what is Kailash with is only bliss celebration. And Shiva is also called the destruct, somebody who destroys. But what? For what? Destruction is only for transformation. And that transformation is something to take us to a high level of perfection, for something better. And that all this, the energy of Shiva, which is absolutely, when it is unmanifest, is absolutely quiet. And when it becomes dynamic, it becomes like a tandav. Otherwise, it's all deep silence. So Shiva has all, all forms and all that Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram also. And this Shravan month, we can experience this. That's why we worship Shiva with Rudrabhisheks and pujas and chants. And we're so happy to be also, diving in Guru Tattva, because Guru to हम सबके साथ ही हैं और हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे हैं और रहेंगे. And because of him only, because of his grace, that we have been doing sadhana, Sudarshan Kriya, knowledge, Sahit Samadhi, so many things, these silence programs and satsangs. Hadn't it been Gurudev in our lives, I think many of us wouldn't have been here in this satsang. Very few of us would have been here. तो उनकी कृपा से, उनके ग्रेस से, उनके जो ज्ञान से हम सब लोग जो भीगे हुए हैं, वो सत्संग का आनंद ले पा रहे हैं. I'm so grateful to Gurudev, and we'll just see a very short video of Gurudev which he's like spoken on during the lockdown period. I'll request my daughter to. Yeah, and Tanmay is also saying it's all him. And yeah, Tanmay, your YouTube channel also, like Tanmay has given a YouTube channel's link. So, and this will also be on Facebook. Yeah, we can listen to this, amazing knowledge by Gurudev.
In life, we are faced with two issues. One is certainty, another is uncertainty. Certainty, no doubt, brings comfort. You know everything, what is going to happen next moment. You know what, when you retire, how much money you are going to get. You know, when everything is measured, like a bureaucrat knows exactly where he will get promotion, what will happen, and then after retirement, how much money he gets. It's all certain. Certainty gives some comfort. At the same time, certainty takes the life away from you. It causes inertia, it causes dullness. When everything is certain, you don't have to use your brain at all. You don't have to use your creativity. You don't have to use your intuitive ability, because you know everything is certain. Everything is measured. Life becomes so mechanical, so automized when everything is certain. It's the uncertainties that calls for action, that demands your intellect to jump into action. It's the uncertainty that calls for some creative impulse to come out of you. Uncertainty which beckons your intelligence to act. So when you are uncertain, when things are uncertain around you, two situations that could happen. Either it moves in the direction of fear, or it can move in the direction of innovation. Every innovation has come out of not certainty, but comes out of demand of the time, necessity of the time. It beckons you to think differently. So at this time of uncertainty in the industry, we need to think. This is nothing short of World War III. Only World War III without any weapons. Hundreds and thousands are dying around the world, and you don't know who is the enemy. So what do you do at this time? You get more depressed, more anxious, and more afraid of the whole situation. You lose even all the power that you need to sustain life, to take the world or your company forward. You must remember, after World War II, countries like Japan and Germany were in total devastation. They had to take bag full of cash to buy a piece of bread. They had to take German marks in bags, in suitcases to get a liter of milk. But what has happened in this last 40 years, 50 years? The whole thing has changed. Japan has bounced back with such vibrant economy. So is Germany, so is Israel, many other countries of the world. These are all solid examples which are staring at our face in front of us. A small country like Israel, how difficult it was for them when the new country was made. Take, for example, Bosnia. People were fighting on the street for a piece of bread. And see, now it has bounced back. We have seen worse things on this planet. There was plague in India during the World War time. Those days we never had hospitals, we didn't have, there were no isolation camps. People would leave their, the whole street, their home, everything. My grandmother used to say, when they were living in a colony, everybody in the colony left. And she had nowhere to go and she had to stay with 3 kids. And she had only 3 kids and herself. And she just prayed to God and she stayed and managed. So we have seen big calamities on this planet. But remember, after every one of those disasters, we have come back with full force. Taking a look at these experiences should give us confidence to dream about a better future. You're going to start afresh a new life from when the lockdown is going to finish. And remember, you will be supported. There is enough humanness in the world today. Organizations, institutions, people will all be supported. See what happened with the Sindhis. They were in refugee camps in New Delhi when the partition happened. But see now, you find Sindhis are very poor, begging for money anywhere? Never. Sindhis are all over the world controlling the business. Everything was taken away from them. We must believe in ourselves. At these times of crisis, we must take the examples of Sindhis. So do not undermine your intelligence. Do not undermine your ability. Do not undermine your skill to manage the crisis. In fact, you should see crises are just an opportunity, a new opportunity for a new beginning to happen in your life. It beckons your intelligence to act here. All that cutthroat attitude we had in fights and unethical behaviors, everything now is gone. Greed finished. Now is the time to start anew, afresh. Think on that and then have this confidence that you'll be able to sail over this curve successfully.
So beautiful. And Gurudev always gives us so much of hope, positivity, optimism. And if we are at all around him or listening to him and reading his knowledge and just in his sphere, in his presence, even in his presence with his just outreach all around the world, we can never feel depressed, we can never feel low. And that is the power of Guru, that is the power of Guru Tattva. We are so grateful to Gurudev. And here I also share with you our upcoming course, which is one is Holistic Cooking by Koshani ji. Koshani ji is a very, very popular Ayurvedic teacher. She has immense knowledge of Ayurveda, which she applies in cooking. So how to eat food which is cooked in a way that maximum nutrients are preserved, and we cook in such a way that we follow the rules of Ayurveda, we follow the rules of Vat Pitta. So she's the one who's trained all other teachers of holistic cooking and Ayurvedic cooking, and I'm very happy that day after tomorrow she's starting this program. And you all should like spread it around. You should do it. I have done it 3 times and I'm going to do it again, because if we really want to, we may buy organic food, but then how to combine it, how to eat it to best, that is like how Pushani teaches. And we have another program of home gardening coming, which is again a very, very, how to grow food naturally, the way forests are, they grow without any chemicals. So how we can grow food naturally with the ingredients that we have at home and that are available in the environment. That is another program which is starting again from 11th and 14th. So we can see the poster, we can other, yeah, this is one starting from 11th. It's gone, came and gone. So we all can, inspire more people to join. And of course, many happiness programs are happening, meditation and breath workshop. I'll also be taking, and I'll inform you about them. This one is happening from 11 to 14, and then another 11 to 13, and then 14 to 16. And now let's close our eyes and just we can be grateful for the presence of all our satsangi friends, all the, all the presence of Gurudev, presence of Shiva Tattva, and presence of all of us. And just let's sing the last. Om Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. 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 Jai Jai Radha Raman, Jai Jai Radha Raman, Hari Bol. With that, we end today's satsang, and we'll again be tomorrow. And once again, Tanmay, thanks a million. And the whole chat is full of praises for you, and you rightly deserve them. And also Ramakrishna. And I'm so grateful to your father too, also for giving you such wonderful, upbringing. And I know how devoted and how, amazingly, beautiful the whole family is. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today. And I think the video by Gurudev was also very meaningful for this lockdown time. And we all are going through uncertainties, but Gurudev, as he said, that not only individuals revived and they came up, but even the whole nations, they came up and they became even more developed than before. So we should all have that confidence that Gurudev is with us, and he will show us the way even if the time is tough. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev. Thank you, Tanmay. Bye. Jai Jai. Bye. Bye. Yes, I'm thankful to everyone who has written such beautiful words for Tanmay and me, and it's all Gurudev's blessings. And I'm very happy that my friend Saraswati has been here, and even Jyoti ji, and so many friends I know. Reshma is here, and of course, Hashima ji. So I'm grateful to all the friends, and some of my like friends who are always there, and Ravi Shankar ji is there, and many more my Art of Living friends are here. Thank you. Subhashji, thank you for like asking me to sing. I will sing. I sing every day, almost all the time, but I don't sing when they're such amazing singers. And I'm just here to bring them to you. Thank you so much.